Annissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and this week's Ask Annissa video call-up. And this week, I got an email from someone with a question that I get asked quite a bit. So this is kind of one near and dear to my heart, and I feel pretty passionate about this answer. So here we go. This email came in from Lisa, and she said, "Hi, Annissa, thank you so much for your videos. I just wanted to ask you a quick question. I have been on a lot of boards on Facebook and different groups, and I'm really getting the gist from a lot of people on these groups that we should not be working with an insurance company, that our client is the client, the person who owns the home, the insured, and that we should not even be talking to an adjuster. I wanted to get your opinion on this, as I feel like this could actually be a tough way to go. So, Annissa, my Ask Annissa question is, should I work with an insurance adjuster? Okay, well, excellent question. And I feel pretty passionate about this answer. And my answer is, yeah, you should work with an insurance adjuster. And I know that this is not going to be a popular answer with some. There are some in the industry that feel like we should ignore the insurance company. We should send the invoice only to our the insured, the homeowner, who is our only client. And I strongly disagree. And here's why. A couple things. One, I want to point out that if it weren't for an insurance company, our industry would not exist. Think about it, guys. Do you think that someone's going to have a fire in their home because they left a pot of beans on the stove and it wound up smoking everything up, and they're going to write us a $35,000 check? No, they're going to go hire a Merry Maid, and they're going to clean it up as best they can and air it out forever and hope that it just goes away. So without the insurance company out there and homeowners having insurance policies, we wouldn't have a job. We wouldn't have an industry. So it seems counterintuitive to me and not productive for us to act as if they don't exist and don't address them. Now, that being said, can they be a pain in the neck? Absolutely. But that just means we have to learn how to beat them at their own game. Okay. And I feel strongly about that. The second reason that I feel like that is not a good plan, to ignore the insurance company and dump everything on your client, is this leaves your client in the lurch. Look, we do this all the time, every day. We deal with insurance companies and adjusters and the billing and the ACV, RCV, and lineal foot and square foot and all this stuff. Homeowners have no idea the lingo, let alone how these things work. Now, should they? Yes, this is their home and insurance policy, so we need to educate them some. However, I feel like if we are coming in as a restoration contractor, we're there to help our clients through a very difficult situation. And if we just dump the invoice in their lap and say, here you go, write us a $35,000 check, and it's your problem to collect it from your insurance company, without them understanding the process, I feel like that's not serving our client. That's leaving our client in the lurch, and that's not what we're here to do. So my short answer to your question is no. We should not ignore the insurance adjuster and give our invoice to our client and walk away. What I feel like we should do is educate our clients on the process, handle getting that invoice to the insurance adjuster, and talking with them throughout the claim so that we can help onboard them, if you will, and get them on board with our invoice that we're going to send in. And ask for final payment, because ultimately the insurance company is writing the check, not the homeowner. Okay, bottom line. So the more that we work with our insurance adjuster and get them on board and on the same page with us, the better things are going to be, not only for our bank account, because our invoice will get paid fast and in full, but it will be much better for our homeowner, our insured, and our client that has just gone through a terrible loss. All right. Well, I hope that answers your question. I thank you so much for sending it in to me. Please be sure to go to rnrmagonline.com and subscribe to their e-newsletter so that you get this video and lots of other goodies in your email inbox every Friday. And please send me questions for Ask Annissa at Annissa@firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you on next week's Ask Annissa video call.
you.